Listen, a lot of people ask how Donna learned to ride and when she did this is about, I don't know, 10 years ago, because she used to always ride on the back of my bike. And then she went up to the second annual Women's Rights Conference in Atlanta, Georgia. And I didn't know anything about it. I don't think she did either. But when she got back, she said, "I'm not riding on your bike anymore." Right at, she was pointing, you know. I says, "What the hell goes on at these women's rights conferences?" She said, "Well, I got there when it was this a big auditorium, and it must have been 500 women in there. And they were testifying." I said, "Testify? What does that mean?" She said, "Well, this woman got up, and she said, I was so inspired by last year's Women's Rights Conference, I went home and I told my husband I wasn't going to cook for him anymore." She said, "And the first day I didn't see any changes. The second day I didn't see nothing. But the third day, he cooked a wonderful meal for the whole family." And they applauded, you know, they were going crazy. Then another woman, she said, "That's nothing. After last year's Women's Rights Conference, I felt so good. I went home and I told my husband I wasn't going to cook for him anymore, and I wasn't going to do the laundry either." She said, "The first day I didn't see any changes. The second day I didn't see nothing. But the third day, he did the laundry, he ironed it, he folded it, and he cooked a wonderful gourmet meal for the whole family." And they gave her a standing ovation. But then there's little bitty things. She told me, she said, she stood up and she said, "I'm married to a Georgia redneck. But just the same, I was so inspired by last year's Women's Rights Conference, I went home and I told my husband I wasn't going to cook for him no more, I wasn't going to clean for him no more, and I wasn't going to do the laundry neither." She said, "The first day I didn't see nothing, the second day I didn't see anything at all, but the third day when the swelling went down, I could see a little bit out of my right eye."
I knew we had to go.
We need the drums.
I got more. Yeah. You want this is my stand-up act.
All right, go ahead.
All right. This, you know, women are a little bit different to teach than men. Some of them have a higher fear level, lower fear level. And to illustrate that point, I'll tell you this little story. This guy is walking along the beach in California, and in the seashore, he sees this lamp, and he picks up the lamp, and he rubs the lamp, and out pops a genie. Genie says, "Thank you so much. I've been in there for 500 years. I'm so happy. I'm going to grant you one wish, anything you want. What do you want? $10 million, you name it." The guy says, "Well, I'm very wealthy. Actually, I have a lot of money. I don't need money." He said, you know what I'd like to do? I've always wanted to visit Hawaii, but I'm afraid to fly, got a dead fear of flying, and I get seasick. Can you build me a bridge from here in California to Hawaii?" The genie says, "That's 3,000 miles. You know how much concrete and steel something like that would take? Think of something else." The guy says, "Well, the only other thing I ever wanted was to be able to understand women." The genie says, "Do you need 2 lanes or 4 lanes on it?"